What is up, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up international shipping. Okay, this is a step-by-step video. All you have to do, guys, is you want to watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do that. Okay, now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on markets you want to click on shipping and delivery. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on general, as you can see here. And here you will find the list of your products here. As you can see, I only have 3 products. You want to scroll down, and where it says here, start shipping to more places, add countries and regions to a market to start selling and manage localized settings, including shipping zone. Now, as you can see, this is like 236 countries that are not in the market, okay. So I am not able to ship to these countries because I didn't select them. Okay, I only ship to local people. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, to set up international shipping is, as you can see, it says here, start shipping to more places. You want to click on add, you want to go to markets, you want to click on go to markets. It will take you guys to this page. What you need to do, guys, next is you want to click, as you can see here, this is my local country. I only ship to this country. It's called Morocco. Now for you, if you live in United States or Germany or any country in Europe, you will find that specific country here. Now you are only able to ship to this country. Okay, that's why you clicked on this video, because you want to ship to more countries. Now you want to click on add market in the top right. As you can see, it says here add market. And what you need to do, guys, you want to name this market. Don't worry, the customers won't be able to see this. You just need to name it. For example, countries. I would like to ship to, and here you want to select all countries. For example, if you want to ship to all countries in Africa, you want to just select here Africa. Okay, if you don't want to ship to Africa, you only want to ship to Europe, you just want to scroll down and you want to find here Europe. For example, Asia, you want to ship to all countries in Asia. As you can see, there are like 48 countries in Asia. If you want to ship, for example, to Europe, you just need to scroll down again, and as you can see, it says here Europe. Check it, and it will select all countries that are in Europe. There are 52. Okay, now after you select all the countries that you want to ship to, you want to click on add a market. Okay, now after, guys, you click on add market, what you need to do, guys, next is you need to add a price for the shipping. Okay, now after you click on add market, after you add all these countries, it says here no shipping rates. As you can see, now you will not be able, guys, to ship to these countries if you don't add the shipping price. Okay, as you can see, it says here customers in these countries I would like to ship to, which is the name I have named the zone, won't be able to check out because there is no shipping rates for this market. It says here go to shipping to create a zone and add rates for 100 countries. These countries that I have selected, they are like 100 countries. Okay, now you want to click on go to shipping, and it will take you, guys, to this page. You want to click here where it says general ratings for 3 locations. Click here, and you want to scroll down. Okay, now here you will find all the countries. I selected 100 countries and regions, and as you can see, it says here not covered by your shipping zone. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to click on create zone for this country. Name the zone, for example, countries, and you need to check it. Countries I would like to ship to, you want to check this box. It will check all the countries that you have selected in the markets at first. Okay, you want to click done. Now after, guys, you click done, what you need to do, guys, next is it says here countries, and it selected all the countries that you have selected in the market. You want to click add the rate, which is very important, because if you don't add the shipping price, these people won't be able to complete the checkout. Okay, now we want to click the rate name, which is standard. The shipping price, it's going to be 5. For example, I'm going to charge $4. Okay, or $5. 5. You want to click done. Now after, guys, you click done, you want to click on save in the top right. Now to make sure that this is you have like to make sure people from these countries will be able to complete the checkout, what you need to do, guys, is you want to click again on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on markets. And as you can see, like, as you can see, the country that I live in, it says active, but the countries that I want to ship to, it says here inactive. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, now is you want to click again on add market. If it says here inactive, you want to activate this. Okay, you want to activate these countries so that you will be able to complete the checkout. You will be able to purchase from your store. Now if it says here active for these countries, then there is nothing you can do. But if it says like me, if it says the same thing like me, it says inactive, what you need to do, guys, next, you want to click again on add market, and you want to select as you can see, for example, I would go with the same thing, countries I ship to. And you want to select the same countries that you have selected at the beginning. I have selected Asia, as you can see, and also you will find this message here, the zone that you have named. Again, I selected Europe, and click on add market. As it says here, you are adding countries, regions from other markets to this one. So these markets will be deleted along with any setting. Click on save. Okay, so now it says active. Now if you go back, click here, as you can see, it says here active. So these countries, I am able to ship to these countries, as you can see. Now if I go to my Shopify store, as you can see, this is my Shopify store. If I click here in the top right, I will find all the countries that I have selected at in the markets. Now these people from these countries, they will be able to buy from my store. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Please drop a like and see you guys in the next video.